If your PS3 is still working in 2024, it's time to change the thermal paste. Depending on the quality of thermal paste applied at the manufacturer, it could survive 10 years or more. Others, not so much. Better safe than sorry. In my opinion, thermal paste should be updated every 5 to 10 years at most. However, every year or two is the optimum practice. What happens if the thermal paste dries? When thermal paste dries out, its heat conductivity decreases, which may cause your CPU or GPU to operate hotter than usual. This may reduce your PC's or game console performance and shorten the lifespan of your hardware components. If you want to hear more about this, please like and subscribe.